Hello children, how are you all? My name is Aisha. I teach in Toddledom pre-primary section in senior KG. Children, today we are going to do an activity. Children, you know flowers, you have seen flowers, right? Different types of flowers are there. There are roses, lotus, lilies, marigold, jasmine and sunflower. So today we are going to learn how to make a sunflower with the paper. Children, we are going to make sunflower. For that we need three different colors, yellow, brown and green paper. First we will take the brown paper and we will make a circle on it. With any object you can make the circle on it. See how I am doing it. I have taken a ring and I have done the circle and you have to cut it. Okay. You have to cut this paper neatly and after cutting it, keep it aside. Then we will take the green paper. Children, now green paper is small. You can take the bigger one also and roll it to make a stem of the flower. Yes, you have to keep on rolling it till it becomes very fine. Like a stem it should look. Okay? See how it is done. You have to put a little glue and stick it. Now the other green paper we will take and we will fold it, the white part on the top, and draw on it the leaves. We need to draw leaves. See how I am drawing it, and then you have to cut these leaves also. Okay. After drawing it, you have to cut it. And keep it aside, the leaves, the stem and the brown circle which you have already done. Children, we need two yellow papers of this size. The size of this paper is 14 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Okay. Yes, it is a hard chart paper, 14 by 10. And you have to keep on folding into strips. Just see how I am doing it. I have just folding it now. Continuously keep on folding it till the end. Both the papers, yellow papers, two sheets you have taken. You have to keep on doing this way, the same way. Okay. After doing it, you have to open it. You can see there are lines formed in the paper. You can see the lines on the paper. Now we will fold it like the fan, how we make a fan. First right side up, then turn it, then again fold it upward, then again turn it and then fold it backward and forward. You have to keep on folding it. The full yellow paper, both the sheets of yellow paper, you have to do it same way and keep it ready first. See how I am folding it forward and backward. Both the ways you have to keep on folding it. The lines are there on the paper, right? On that lines only you try to fold so that it will be easy for you, and press it hard so that it doesn't open. Children, see how I am doing it. It is opening, so you have to press it hard and fold it nicely. See children how I am doing it. Completely you have to fold the yellow chart paper, both the sheets. Okay, 14 by 10 centimeter I have taken. Now this paper you can see I am doing it again, folding it into half. Yes, now I am folding into half, and this half you have to fold it perfectly. See, the edges should meet on the top, and the down part also you have to press it so that it doesn't open. See how I have done it. Okay. Now children, you try to open it and see whether it will open or no, like a fan. Yes. Now after this, we will put a glue in the between or a Fevicol and stick that part, both the parts. Spread it with the finger so that sticks nicely and press it. Press it and stick it very nicely. Okay. This, now you have done it. Children, see, I'm having two. I told you 2 sheets, you have to keep it ready, right? After this, we will take the stem and we will put the leaves on that. Cut it to separate the leaves, and first put one leaf on the stem. Put little Fevicol and try to stick it in the slanting way. Okay, little slant it should be. See children how I am doing it, little slanting I am keeping it and pressing it. Okay. Try to put the Fevicol back side also and stick it nicely. Now one more leaf is left that you will put on the top. Yes, there also we will put little Fevicol and we will stick it. Okay children, you can see how I have done it. Yes, see that now I am putting the leaf on top of the Fevicol and pressing it and keeping it a little slant, not straight, slanting. Okay, now the stem is ready. Now what we will do, we will stick those 2 yellow sheets, the fans, together and press it. Put the Fevicol and stick it and press it, and now you will open. No, it will become like a circle, yellow circle. Put the Fevicol on the both the ends, in the center and both the ends, and join both the ends together. Children, you can see how I am doing it. Both the ends you have to join now. It will become a circle, the flower. Yes, and press it. Children, you have to press it nicely so that the edges stick together. Okay, you can see how I have done it. Press it neatly. Now, after doing this, what we have to do? We have to take the brown paper, what we cut into a circle, and we will try to stick it in the middle. So first we will put little Fevicol on the brown paper at the edges. On the edges we put the Fevicol. After putting the Fevicol, we will stick this on the yellow paper in the center. Children, we have to stick this in the center. The sunflower we are making, right? So put a little Fevicol in the center so that the brown paper sticks on it. We have put on the brown paper also. Now put it on it and stick it. After this, see how it is done. The flower is ready, right? Now we have to put the stem. So turn it back side and again put little Fevicol in the center, otherwise it will open. Okay. Now we want to stick the stem. So we will put the Fevicol. See how it is. I am trying to keep it on the top. Now we will first put the Fevicol on the flower where we want to stick the stem. Put a little more Fevicol so that it sticks very nicely. Yes, and press it. Press it in the yellow paper, between the yellow paper. Try to press it between the yellow paper, the stick. Okay, see how I'm trying to do it. Children, it should stick nicely, otherwise the stem will come out. Press it nicely. After pressing it, hold it for some time and press it and turn it. Now the flower is ready. Yes, you can see the flower is ready. Children, you have learned to make a sunflower. So you can do this practice at home. Children, you have already made a sunflower, right? With the paper. It is very easy, isn't it? So keep practicing this at home. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.